Yeah. Hi, honey.
Hi.
If it's a little choppy, it's because the waves are hitting me. Is this amazing or what?
Yeah.
We are out in the waves. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. Woo! Having fun, playing in the water. Here comes the waves.
Hey, watch this. That's it. There you go.
That was a lot. It's a lot of fun. Eric's not here. He's still at his conference. And my makeup is all coming off, but that's okay. I think I might have sunscreen in my eye. It's been fun out here. Having a lot of fun. If you ever come to Palm Beach, the north beach is where you want to do it, just off of Blue Heron. It's really, really nice. So we just got all of our shopping done for our kids, and my mom and my sister who are watching our kids. So got all the presents and stuff like that we needed to get. We Skyped with our kids last night, which was super cool. Got to see them and watch Odin cry because he missed us. Yeah, so we did all our shopping and now we're just gonna go and relax. Eric wants to go eat gator tonight for supper, so we'll see how that goes.
Found a restaurant that serves fried gator.
I'm kind of hesitant, but hey, I ate frog legs on our cruise, so
Frog legs are good. It's like fishy chicken wings.
they were kind of like half fish, half chicken tasting. Yeah. So anyway, I'm just in love with all the palm trees around here. But it's like
The stifling heat is a bit much.
91 degrees, and I'm like dying of heat.
Though. And the locals are saying, "Oh, this isn't even the hot
We're not
time."
even coming into
Like,
we're just barely coming into our hot season, and I'm like, are you nuts? I'm dying. Like, and it feels like it's like probably 90% humidity, because you walk outside and you feel like you've gone through a mist, and you're just immediately wet. Blah. So anyway, yeah, good times, good times.
Driving's about the same, except for all the U-turns. They actually have U-turn lanes down here. Up in Canada, you can't U-turn anywhere.
No, you get a ticket.
And down here, like, it's everyone U-turns.
It's kind of nice.
So, aside from that, yeah, people are just as bad drivers as they are back home, so hardly noticeable, really.
Yeah. Well, and they're allowed to talk on their phones as well, and so I find that even a little bit more.
A lot of distracted drivers.
A lot of distracted drivers. Like, we just saw one that she almost got hit by a car because she was just going through traffic. You know, like crossing across like 6 lanes of traffic, and she just didn't even care if anybody was coming or not. So, yeah. And as you can tell, I did get a little burnt yesterday. It's not too bad, but I got burnt. So I bought a rash guard today so that hopefully I don't get burnt again tomorrow, because we're going to sit on the beach all day tomorrow, because that's Eric's one day that we get to sit on the beach and relax and have fun and all day long and not have to worry about any flights or anything like that. That's our last day here, so we're just going to have fun. Maybe we should open up the kids' snorkel stuff and use it. So, we're going to the beach. Eric skived off for one day from his conference because we were told no one goes to the last day of his conference. So, yeah. So we're gonna go to the beach. This beach, it's the Riviera Beach, I do believe is what it's called. What did it say on that sign? It's beautiful. And the sand is like so fine, it gets in the crevices of your toes. Ah! go. Here they come. Ah. There we go. Eric's getting taken by the waves. I don't know if you can hear this. He's totally getting taken by the waves. It's a good time. The undertow is amazing.
Yeah.
Just trying to keep yourself in one spot. Hi, honey. If it's a little choppy, it's because the waves are hitting me. Is this amazing or what? Last day in Florida. We are almost done. It is 4:30. We're gonna go back to. We're just coming home from the beach. There'll have been some footage of us in the water because I found an underwater case for my phone, which is super cool. But you'll see some footage of us in the water, and I'm not sure if I took any footage of us on the beach, but yeah. So it was a beautiful beach. It's just got a little too windy for us, so we decided. And like, my freckles are like extreme. I look like super like bright red, and it's not even that. It's just my freckles. Anyway, we're gonna go because we didn't go have Gator like we said we were going to yesterday because we had the banquet. So we're gonna go to Dixie's Grill. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, I think it's the Dixie Grill.
The Dixie Grill.
Dixie Bar and Grill.
And they have Gator as part of one of their appetizers. So Eric wanted to try it. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go and we're gonna shower because we're covered in salt and sand. But it was so nice to just be in the water.
I have sand in my bum crack.
Oh, gross. Ignore
What?
him.
We were at the beach. Everyone gets sand in their bum crack.
Finally on our way home. It's not too bad.
It's been a pretty good trip for you.
For me.
Actually, it was pretty good for me.
Passenger Linda Farchmead. Linda Farchmead.
Now I get to go home and see my baby. Even though I won't even see them until technically tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
But whatever.
it's all good.
Good times, good times.
back into the table in the upright locking position, and your aisle armrest is lowered. Ensure larger devices 65 miles per hour at this time. Once we're on the ground, feel free to use your mobile devices while we taxi into the gate. Finally, please check around your seat for any remaining cups, glasses, or any other items that you'd like to discard and pass them to the flight attendants when we come to the cabin. We will be landing shortly, and welcome to Atlanta.